Well, there's certainly more than one way to use a Vibroplex bug. And a lot of guys, they've got their own style, which works well for them, and that's fine. Some of them like really slap the thing back and forth with, looks to me like a lot of force, and I found that to be completely unnecessary. If your bug is adjusted correctly, it only takes a very light touch. See, I'm no expert, but this is what I'm finding about using a bug. Now, with a very light touch, I can get plenty of dits. So that's about where you want this contact here to be adjusted, so that you can get a nice string of dits with a light touch. And I found that when making your dash, if you hit it too hard, you can actually get it to bounce. You end up with a contact bounce. So I've just found that a very light touch I find that works very well. Like I showed in a recent video, I have this pendulum extender on here to slow it down. So slow the thing down as much as you want, especially if you take this weight off here and put it out on the end of the pendulum. Thanks for watching, and 73 everyone.